open today, Dad?
Alright, so today we got a box from our friends at Italic Press in Canada. Take a look and see what you've got. So why don't you open up the box and see what they sent you.
Printed? 3D printed or something?
What does it feel like when you touch it? Does it make a sound?
Yep.
That's
See,
cool.
here's like some beef farting.
Alright, we got a farting label. Go for it, Aaron. What else you got?
Let's do this. Let's do Italic Press. It's plastic. It looks like it's metal, but it's plastic.
Yep.
We have a little note. Aaron, we hope you impress from your friends at Italic.
Alright.
Does it say anything on the back? Nope. Just like,
See?
look at
Present it.
this.
That's
You
thick.
can see like little dots on it. It feels like you know like the things like it's very fragile and like there's like this little thingy that you do.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what it is. But this looks like metal, but it's actually plastic. Yeah, but it's fluffy.
It's fluffy, I like that.
Ooh, I like this one.
Yeah, let's see it.
Ooh,
Show
gold.
me Oh yeah, look at that.
I like this
Why?
golden. I like the color gold. Favorite color.
Color gold?
And we got the Lamborghini sign.
Close enough. Yeah, close enough. That's
Impress.
yeah, that's more information on how they did it.
I think Kevin will do this on the end.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yo, this is sick.
What is that?
It's a dragon. If you see it
Dragon.
hard enough.
Actually,
See
you know
like the
what?
mouth, eyes, body, tail.
That is the Omega from God of War. It's a video game for PlayStation. It's really cool. That goes in the front.
Can we
Yes.
look at it? Can we play it? Got a little napkin in the box. I like it. This is like soccer teams, right?
Yeah, those are really famous soccer teams.
I like soccer.
What's your favorite one out of all these?
In every game,
No, the one just right here in front of you.
I say, I don't know. I don't know any of these teams.
No, but the favorite label.
This one.
Why?
This one first, second, third, fourth, and last.
Nice.
This third.
That's third? Alright.
I like it because it's golden. You know what? This boy, friend.
Oh my gosh.
This thing's off the box.
Show me the jersey. What's so cool about the jersey?
Impressed?
Are you impressed?
I like it. Do they know my size?
No.
Oh my god.
Alright.
I want to put this for school.
Cool.
I like it. You can see little squares.